Okay, so sometimes things don't work out the way you plan them. And sometimes they come out better. See, I'm not going to cover the mistake that Boardwalk made twice that led us to this point where we ended up going to the Animal Kingdom Lodge instead. Let's just say it was a lot better than just staying at a bad room in the Boardwalk. Some things work out in your favor sometimes. And this time it really worked out in our favor. Since they didn't have any rooms available that I could use, they offered me a switch over to Kidani Village at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, where we valet parked for free. So come on, let's go into Animal Kingdom's Kidani Village. For now, let's head up to the room. Oh, and did I mention they upgraded us to a one-bedroom suite? No, I don't think I did. But, oh yeah, they upgraded us to a one-bedroom suite. It was great. Oh, and before all you naysayers jump in there saying I'm just getting stuff for free, believe me, it was a really big screw-up at Boardwalk. Big enough that we ended up with a full-size kitchen. A full-size refrigerator. And what's that in the cabinet next to it, might you ask? Well, that would be the full-size washer and dryer, of course. The room also came with a very nice dining set. A beautiful living area, and I believe the sofa pulled out into a bed also. But off the living room is the bedroom with the king-size bed. And, as you can see, there was plenty of room for me to maneuver the wheelchair throughout the entire room. And in the morning, there was a glorious sunrise. Wait a second, that's not the morning, that's the tub! Yep, it came with a fully jetted bathtub, complete with handrails. And right next to it was the roll-in shower, which, as you can see, has plenty of handrails, a nice handheld shower, and a built-in shower seat. There was even a lit-up makeup mirror, for those of you who use such a thing, at the nice roll-under sink. There are also plenty of handrails around the nice raised toilet. And just so you don't have to give away any important makeup secrets, there's a second bathroom by the front door for guests. Our room also wasn't that far from the gym, although I'm probably not ever going to see that place. Of course, our room didn't exactly have a Savannah view this time. It was more like the driveway. But the ever-helpful manager treated us to a meal over at Boma, in the Jambo house. But you know, the inside isn't the best part of Animal Kingdom Lodge. Nope, the outside definitely is way better. And it's not just the animals. There's the pools, too. But remember, Animal Kingdom isn't all about pools, it's all about animals. There are also several viewing areas at both Kidani Village and Jambo House. There is a ground level fire pit area outdoors if you want to sit in a rocking chair for a couple hours and just watch animals. It's really kind of cool. But I really think my favorite place to watch the animals is from right here in Sanaa. Of course, this trip we didn't actually eat at Sanaa. That was at another time, but let's talk about Sanaa anyway, because it was really good. Sanaa is located on the ground floor of Kidani Village. We did have to wait a minute, but it wasn't long, and pretty soon we were on the way to our table. And of course, it was a center pedestal table, but that didn't really seem to be an issue. So we started out with the Indian-style bread service. And I'm not going to pretend to remember the names of the bread or the 9 different accompaniments that came with them. And they went right up the heat scale until, well, I didn't even try the spicy jalapeno lime pickle one. As for the main course, that was kind of hard to decide on, but I finally went with the sausage. It was a good choice. Gene picked up on the tandoori chicken and thought it was pretty good also. We had a little problem deciding what we wanted for dessert, so we solved it in a unique way. But I gotta tell you, as good as the food was, the animals were even better. And of course, my favorite, giraffes. Emmy sure knows how to search out your likes and comments. I hope you enjoyed the video too and that you'll choose to subscribe. And remember, if you do subscribe, don't forget to click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all those who've subscribed over the years and taken me from what I thought was great at 500 views to over 25,000. Thanks a lot, guys.